All right, for loan qualification, the main thing you want to really think about is how big an asset you want to underwrite, how big a number of units you want to tell the broker so that he's not giving you out of your limit properties. See, you don't want to do that. You don't want to waste the broker's time at all. So please go ahead and do a complete income and loss statement. It's called net worth statement. What it is that all your assets, all the cash positions, all the different things that you have as assets, and then the liabilities come. And we have actually, please take the really great form right attached to this segment that you can do it, and maybe you have already filled it out. Great. So the net worth is so very important in qualifying for the loan. If you have smaller net worth, and a lot of my students do as they start out, so don't be afraid, don't worry about it, because you're going to crush it and get bigger and bigger. I had not that high net worth, now I do after doing 26 syndications, but the key thing is you want to start somewhere, and that's why I mentioned in the forming the partner with somebody who has high net worth. That is the number one thing. You want to ask a person, maybe a relative, maybe a friend, maybe a business associate who has a higher net worth to go on the loan, to qualify for the loan in the first deal. Let's start with the first deal and maybe a couple of deals. You will give them a little portion, maybe 10 to 15% or even 20% of the deal. You will do all the hard work. You will analyze the deal, but they will go on the loan and be a guarantor with the Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or local bank and things like that. But also do find out a good loan broker who can write your story and what your experiences are, and they will be able to present it to the vice presidents of these people, and they know them very well. So they are really good people to work on your behalf. So loan qualification is very important in the whole deal structure, because if you qualify and you have to give proof of fund, maybe your partner will have money in the stock market and in the mutual funds and so forth. They can cross off the account name and so forth like that, or account number. But then you can give proof of fund when it comes to even in the LOI stage, the letter of intent stage. If we have not discussed, we'll be talking about that. So loan qualification in the plate number 4 is very, very important for a very strong closing. The exciting part is that, in my case, what I've done is I got only 2 loan brokers to work with me in my whole career in multifamily. And once they really were working together, it was so easy to qualify for the next loan and the next loan and the next loan. So you can do it. You can crush it.